Many accountants, bookkeepers, and tax consultants are hearing about artificial intelligence and wondering the same thing. Is AI going to replace accountants? The short answer is no. But something important is happening. Artificial intelligence is beginning to assist accountants, bookkeepers, and tax consultants with some of the most repetitive parts of their work. And professionals who learn how to use these tools properly will likely operate much more efficient practices in the coming years. In this video, I want to explain how AI actually fits into accounting work and how professionals can begin using it without compromising professional judgment or compliance responsibilities. My name is Mansoor Suhail. I'm an accounting and tax consultant with more than 25 years of experience working with businesses and professional firms. Over the past few decades, the accounting profession has already gone through several technological changes. Manual bookkeeping systems were replaced by spreadsheets. Spreadsheets were followed by accounting software. Cloud systems changed how financial information is stored and shared. Artificial intelligence represents the next stage in that evolution. However, AI should not be viewed as a replacement for accounting professionals. Instead, it should be viewed as a support tool that helps organize information and reduce repetitive work. The biggest time drain in accounting work, when you look closely at how accountants, bookkeepers, and tax consultants spend their time, a surprising pattern appears. A large portion of the work is not complex analysis, it is information handling. For example, reviewing financial documents, organizing client records, answering repeated client questions, researching accounting or tax issues, and managing administrative workflows. These tasks are necessary, but they are also repetitive. Artificial intelligence tools are particularly good at processing information quickly. For example, AI tools can summarize financial documents, organize research questions, draft explanations for clients, and structure workflows and checklists. The professional still performs the final review, but the first stage of information processing becomes much faster. One of the most important ideas to understand is this: artificial intelligence does not replace professional judgment. Accounting work requires knowledge of regulations, ethical responsibility, interpretation of financial information, and understanding of each client's circumstances. AI cannot make those decisions. Instead, AI can help organize information so that professionals can review it more efficiently. For example, a bookkeeper might use AI to summarize receipts and transaction descriptions. An accountant might use AI to identify unusual patterns in financial reports, and a tax consultant might use AI to organize research questions when reviewing tax rules. In every case, the professional remains responsible for the final decision. Where AI actually helps accounting professionals, in practice, AI tends to be most helpful in a few specific areas. One area is document review. Accounting professionals spend a lot of time reviewing receipts, invoices, bank statements, and financial records. AI tools can summarize these documents and extract key information before the professional review begins. Another area is client communication. Professionals often answer the same client questions repeatedly. AI tools can help draft explanations that the professional then reviews and adjusts. Another area is research preparation. AI tools can help organize research questions and summarize concepts before the professional reviews authoritative sources. These tools do not eliminate the work. They simply make the process of handling information more efficient. The accounting professionals who benefit most from these tools are not necessarily the most technical. They are the professionals who understand their workflows clearly. For example, a bookkeeper who processes hundreds of transactions every month, an accountant reviewing financial reports across multiple clients, and a tax consultant handling large volumes of documentation during tax season. These professionals often have the most repetitive processes, which means they benefit the most from tools that help organize information. One of the biggest mistakes professionals make when exploring AI tools is trying to change everything at once. The better approach is to start with one system. For example, start by improving document review, or start by improving how client questions are handled, or start by organizing research notes more effectively. Once one improvement becomes comfortable, additional systems can be introduced gradually. Small improvements accumulate over time. Artificial intelligence will continue evolving just like accounting software and cloud platforms did, but the role of accountants, bookkeepers, and tax consultants will remain essential. Clients will always need professionals who can interpret financial information, apply regulations, provide guidance, and support business decisions. Artificial intelligence simply helps professionals focus more of their time on the work that matters most. If you would like a simple framework explaining how accounting, bookkeeping, and tax professionals can begin using AI responsibly, I created a free checklist that outlines the 7 AI systems accounting professionals can start using today. You can download it using the link below. I also explain the full framework in my guide, AI Systems for Accounting Professionals, and the complete training is available in the course for professionals who want to explore these systems in more detail. Thank you for watching.